All right, how you plinkers out there doing? So check this out. Mid-October. Now, let me step back. This isn't a bad mouth. It's just there was a misunderstanding and it kind of got confused. And sadly, I had to wait for 2 months. But here's the story. Airgun Depot. I ordered this, the Hansen Sniper 125. When I ordered it, I paid like nice little change for it. When I received my rifle, I received the Hansen Sniper, 125, it shows here. But the difference, I really liked the previous photo that I saw showed. I like the suppressor look. And instead, I got this. Airgun Depot informed me that this is a much sleeker design. Well, it's not the gun I wanted. So I sent it back and I asked for a refund. But instead of my refund, they sent me the gun back. So let's see what they gave us here. Hey, what do you know? They sent me the same gun back 2 times in a row. Now that is a complaint. Airgun Depot. I would call it false advertisement. I don't know what everybody else says. There's the gun I ordered once again. Here's the gun they sent to me twice after my complaint. Way to go, Airgun. So here I go again, sending it back. How fun is this? But hopefully you can see that. That does not look like a 2-piece suppressor almost. It looks like a 1-piece suppressor again. There's a little proof here. Here's my FedEx. I'm sending it back. November 10th is when I sent this gun. And I wrote down, this is my copy. Gun is not what is pictured on website. False advertisement. And I X'd refund. But yet, they sent me the gun that I did not want.